what is the reason why you study Pythagoras theorem? It's because of this part here. I want to apply to real life question. Now let's start. I have a ladder placed 5 meter on the wall. So can you, everyone, help me to draw a wall? This is a wall. Can everyone help me to draw a ladder? Can I continue? Okay, good. Next, okay, let me explain. In the mathematics world, in the mathematics world, all walls will be 90 degree with the floor, which means over here this is a 90 degree. So far, okay. Same for all buildings, same for all trees, same for all tower, all flagpole. Whatever that is pointing upright is always 90 degree, unless stated otherwise. What happened to your toe? Huh? Infection. Okay, continue. Now, where is 1.8? Where is 1.8? The foot. So it's here, right? So this is 1.8 meter. How far does the ladder reach? What are they asking? So can you label this is A, this is B, this is C? These are asking about AB. Do you see a right angle triangle? Yes, right? So can you write out the equation? Can you write out the equation? AB square plus what square is equals to what square? Where do I put 5? Do I put 5 before the equal sign or after the equal sign? After the equal sign. Do you agree? Do you agree? Very good. So how do I solve it? Press calculator. What's the answer for 1.8 squared? 3.24. And this is 25. Explain again. Do you understand the wall, Ashraf? The wall and the ladder. Can you understand so far? The 5 meter, because the ladder is 5 meter, so I put the green ladder against the wall. This ladder is 5 meters. It says it's 1.8 meter away from the base of the wall. So this is 1.8 meter. So basically, I translate the first sentence into a diagram. Did I do the calculation wrongly? So 1.8 squared is 3.24, right? Sean, how do I continue? AB squared will be equals to what? How do I remove the 3.24? Yeah. 3SF. What's the answer? 21.76. Okay. There's a square there. Now, how do I calculate without the square? What must I do? Square root. Remember, this one must be what? 5 SF before I round off my final answer to 3SF. Can I have both answer? Press the calculator, 21.76 square root. What do you get? 1.7, 4.7. This is 2SF. I need 3 more. Oh. The 3SF is 4.66. How about the 5SF? 4.6647. Very good. Why do I need 5SF? Because later on, if there's a part B, I will use the 5SF so that I don't use the round off answer. Because if I round off now, I round off another time, there will be a round off error. Yeah, you need 2 answers. So the first answer is the working mark. The second answer is the answer mark. So far okay? So far okay, So then the answer is 4.66 meter. Now what does this mean? It means that the wall here is 4.66 meters. That's it. No round off. Still remember someone we learned about truncate. Truncate means cut. That means I look at my calculator, after 5 numbers I cut. No round up, no round down. Then later I round off to 3SF. Yeah, right. The first 5 numbers you see on the calculator. Now, can I check for B, what is the answer? Don't know how to do.